Hey class, I want to just show you an exemplar of what a finished rock, paper, scissors Arduino game would look like with a 3D printed case. So here's the case. So this was designed in Fusion 360. If you're taking the tech design courses at Newmarket High, you'd probably use something like Autodesk. And so then it's just designed to make room for the 3 buttons, the 3 LEDs, and a screen to give the progress of the game. So I'll plug it in here. We get the opening, we get the little tune, we get the flashing of the lights, and it asks you to throw down, so you pick one. So I picked rock, Arduino picked scissors, so Arduino, or I won. So now we'll pick to tie. I'll pick paper. So I won that one as well because I picked paper and Arduino picked rock. So I'll pick scissors, another tie. I'll pick a rock, it's a tie. Pick paper. So Arduino won that. Oh, I won, look at that. And then it starts over again and resets everything. So if we look inside the case here, this is a pretty well-fitting case. So what we have inside, this would actually be an Uno probably, and it's just built on a half-size breadboard. That's just, everything's been mounted inside the breadboard and nice and neatly tied up, and the wires are routed around to the Arduino. And then there's the back of the screen and the speaker as well. So we've got a top for the project and a case bottom, and the USB cord just goes through the side, and we just plug it in as we need it. So that's just an example of something that you might be able to do in concert with your tech design course if you wanted to possibly design a rock, paper, scissors game Enclosure after finishing your rock, paper, scissors project in ICS 3U. Thanks very much.